calm.
Oh, no.
I'm rather chicken.
Now, it's going to be very simple. You see, what I have here is a deck of cards. And I'm going to take the cards, and you can see that all the cards are different cards, okay? I'm going to take the cards like this, very simple, and I'm going to go like this. And you say stop, all right? Like if you stop there, it'd be the 5 of diamonds. If you went a little bit farther, it'd been 10 of diamonds, okay? Down, been ace of spade, okay? Now, the only thing I need you to do is this. Once you go start this, and I start going like this, that you say stop before I get through the whole deck.
Okay.
Okay.
I think we can handle that.
You can handle that?
I think so.
Okay. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay.
Stop. Almost.
Before we get through the whole...
I'll try.
Now are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stop. We got started today.
It's going to be difficult.
I'm so sorry.
Me too.
Yeah. You think we could do this together now? No. Okay. Here we go. Very simple. Well, I'll do it slower.
Stop.
Okay. Take the bottom card.
Okay.
Okay. Now don't show me. What I want you to do is go down to your seat.
Oh, thank you.
Not until I tell you.
Hurry to leave.
Yeah, and don't show anybody your card yet, okay? But as you're going back down there, I want you to look out over the audience, someone that you had not talked to yet tonight, and just point them out to me once you get back there, okay? You may go down. Well, please watch yourself on the steps, okay? Now, as she's going back there to her seat, I'm going to be using a chalkboard. The chalkboard is divided into 6 squares. And also I have 3 pieces of plastic that I'm going to be covering 3 of the squares. The 3 of the squares that I'm going to be covering are the 3 squares that I'm going to be doing the prediction on. Now, for an example, Shirley, would you point to some other individual in the group?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Your name, ma'am?
D.
D. That was my mother's name. Okay. Grandmother. Grandmother. All right. Trish, would you please stand? Okay. Did you say Trish?
No.
No.
D.
Oh, D. I'm sorry. D, would you please stand? Okay. Now this is what I'd like you to do, D. I would like you to think of any number from 1 to 1,000. Okay? Now, you can use any decimal, any digit, any fraction that you'd like, whatever. Okay. But what I'm going to do, D, is I'm going to write the number here before you even say it. All right? You have to have faith. Okay. Now, no one told you tonight what number to choose or anything. Am I correct?
Correct.
Okay. I want you to
Wait a
think.
minute. I think he might have told me a number.
No, I ain't done with it.
You have to be related to Harold. I'll tell you. Okay. Seriously. I want you to think of the number. All right? Go ahead and think of it.
Okay.
Do you have it chosen?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Think of that number very clearly, please.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm going to take and I'm going to cover that up for 2 reasons. Number 1, you cannot see, and number 2, I cannot rewrite into there. Would you tell everybody else what number you chose?
8.
8. Okay, 8. All right. Would you take and point out someone else here in the audience for me?
You.
Okay. You may sit, Dee. You've had enough time. Okay, whoever she pointed to, would they please stand up? Okay, your name?
Betty.
Betty. Betty? No, she's not. Betty, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to think of any city in the entire world. Okay? Any city. The only thing I say is be prepared to spell it. Okay? That keeps her in Florida. Any city that you would like, all right? Think of that city, please. Do you have it chosen? Hello, is that? Yeah. It wasn't too hard for you, was it, Betty? No, okay, all right. Just think of the city. Think of it. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to take the second card and place over top of that for the same reason. And would you tell everybody what the city is? And I'll write it down here.
Buffalo.
Buffalo. I don't mind you having fun. Don't take over the show, okay? All right. Buffalo, correct? You may be seated, if you will. The young lady here with the card. Would you show one person the card? I want you to think of the card. First, I want you to think of the color. Okay? Obviously, it has to be red or black. Okay? Think of the color. Red or black. Red or black. Think of the color.
Just one.
It is black. Okay. It has to be either a spade or a club. You don't get out much, do you? I didn't.
Too cold for it.
Okay. Okay. Think of it as spade or club. Think spade or club. Shirley, think spade. Okay, it is a club. Okay? Is it a number card or a face card? Number card. Think number card, face card. It is a number card. Okay. Think of the number itself, please.
That's a long number you're writing.
Now I'm going to cover up the top one, but I also wrote it on the bottom because we have it pretty much covered. I say that you chose the 2 of clubs. Am I correct?
You're correct. Wow.
2 of clubs. I also up here have the 2 of clubs. Buffalo, I have Buffalo, and 8, I also have 8. Thank you very much.